Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Todoist for employee onboarding tasks. First things first, log into your Todoist account. If you don't have one, it's easy to set one up. It's a quick step, but an essential one because you can't manage tasks without an account. Once you're in, navigate to the Projects section. Here, create a new project for your employee onboarding tasks. This helps us because having specific projects for each task keeps everything organized and easy to track. Now that we've done that, it's time to add tasks to your project. Click the Add Task option and start listing all the tasks required for the onboarding process. Be specific and descriptive. This is important because clarity will help both you and the new employee understand what needs to be done. Next up, assign due dates. Todoist allows you to set due dates for each task. This helps us ensure no task is left behind and everything is done promptly. Remember, punctuality is key in any onboarding process. Now, this is where Todoist shines. Assign tasks to the new employees. By clicking on the Assign button and selecting the relevant person, you can delegate tasks directly. The reason we do this is to keep the responsibility clear and everyone knows exactly what they're expected to do. Finally, as tasks are completed, mark them off. Todoist provides a satisfying way to check off completed tasks and helps you visually track your progress. Let me explain why this matters. It's not just about getting tasks done, it's also about knowing where you stand in the process. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively use Todoist for employee onboarding tasks. Remember, the goal is to streamline the process, keep everyone accountable, and ensure a smooth onboarding experience. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, stay organized, stay productive.